Hello, good evening, and welcome to Sports Central on AZ Sport TV today. We are looking at the Champions League, knockout stages that are going on right now. Of course, I have my brother Emmanuel in the studio today. Emmanuel, how are you doing?
I'm fine. Always a pleasure to be here.
Yes, of course, I witnessed the match yesterday between Atalanta and PSG, and what a comeback it was for PSG. Coming from one goal down to win the tie between Atalanta and PSG. How do you see that match yesterday?
That match was pretty exciting. It was exciting in the sense that the game brought about a spark. The PSG side, of course, we expected them to attack, and that they did. But the Atalanta side did something a bit more. They gave a challenge, and of course they scored around 26 minutes or so, 27 or so, yes. So I think they gave the PSG side something to think about, but it was really sorry for them, to have been able to concede those goals in the 90th minute and then in the 93rd. But huge credit goes to Neymar too, for orchestrating the play, even though he was a bit wasteful in the front of goal. But yes, the big guys are always the big guys, anytime, any day.
It's the first time we are seeing this kind of playoffs, one leg matches, and at this stage of the competition because of the prolonged season due to the outbreak of COVID-19. And it's a one leg feature where the winner of the match takes it all. And of course, Atalanta was a surprising team of the season, the first time in the Champions League, and they got to that stage. Of course, they have something to be proud of, making it to the quarterfinals, and also, very close to making it to the semi-finals of that competition.
For me, Atalanta have done well. To an extent, they have done well. In fact, they have done very, very fine. Because if you check in the Serie A, they are the only team to have scored over 100 or more. They keep scoring goals, they keep playing beautifully well. So it tells you that to an extent they did fine. So you cannot say that they did poorly or so, because the big guys are always the big guys. But then again, these minnows, these small teams will always come to cause one upset or the other, and it was almost the case. It was almost the case.
Yes, and the matches continues today. Of course, we have the second quarterfinal match between Leipzig and Atletico Madrid, and these are two strong teams. One from Spain and the other from Germany. They are a relatively strong team. Judging head to head, the both teams recently they have performed very well in their domestic league, and we are expecting a very strong match this evening.
Well, I am expecting defensive attack. Because these are two teams that are opposite to how they play and how they operate. The Leipzig team is a team that attacks and attacks. They keep coming at you at every inch and every second. If your defense is not coordinated, enough to soak up the pressure, then you can't be able to withstand that attack. And then we know an 80 Madrid, to be very resolute in that defense line. In fact, there's no team as strong as defensively as them. Quote me wrong, anywhere. They are very, very strong. They just soak up the pressure. They have been able to make that an institution in the team. They soak up the pressure, and then they look for those little space where if they catch you on the counter, then it is goodbye Vienna.
Yeah, and we're talking about Leipzig. They lost their most prolific striker, Timo Werner, to Chelsea in the transfer window. Of course, they were missing him. He got 4 goals for the club in all competition. Very good player, I must say, and he has been the one that shoulders the club, scoring the goals. And they're going to be missing him this night. And of course, facing an Atletico Madrid side that saw off the defending champion Liverpool. I think it's going to be a tough one relatively for them this.
A king is always a king. a king is always a king, regardless of where he stays and where he goes. I would say that Leipzig will miss their star man, you know, but then again, they have been able to build their team in a way. In an aspect that a man is not always the whole team. They have a system which they play that they incorporate everybody together. So even though their star man is not there or will not be there this night, I expect them to put up a good show.
And talking about the coaches, and Leipzig is being coached by one of the youngest coaches in Europe. I think the youngest coach, in Europe right now. That Leipzig is just 30 something years, and been doing very well for the club. And this is a stage where experience is required, And we have, of course, Simeone, who has been there in Europe. He won the Europa League, played in the Champions League finals, and all that. And I think experience is going to be counting this night. Who are you fancying among the coaches?
If you ask me, I will fancy Atletico Madrid because they have this something going on with them that to an extent they can be able to to just sit back and then they surprise you when you don't even expect it. They just have this formation of how they play. They defend. They can defend for 20 hours. That is just how they play. And when you think you just let your foot off the pedal, they sting you. So I would say that experience-wise, I would go for Diego Simeone. But then again, I will always say that I always expect either upset, exciting play, and anything can happen. Anything can happen.
Of course, we are at that stage in the competition where anything can happen. We saw that we were close to it yesterday between Atlanta and PSG. It was a very tough one for PSG, coming back and winning the match, in the ending time, period of the match. And of course, it's a match between Leipzig and Atletico Madrid today. It's the Champions League, is the knockout stage, the most exciting stage in the Champions League. Of course, the fans are not there, but you cannot take it away. This is the Champions League,
The Champions League is always the Champions League. As soon as you hear the herald of that song, that team song alone, you just go bazooka. Like everywhere, the excitement is something else. So today, all you need to do, grab your cold beer and sit in the front of the screens, enjoy the game. That's all.
So Emmanuel, what's the prediction? Leipzig, Atletico Madrid. Who is taking the day?
I am gradually becoming a mascot here. So, I will go with a safe 2-1 scoreline. Safe 2-1 scoreline. It could be either way, but I'm tilting towards Atletico Madrid. But my scoreline is going to be 2-1. Yes.
Thank you, Emmanuel. Still in Champions League, this is the knockout stages, the quarter-final precisely, and we are having our second match, today. After we saw that of yesterday, is Leipzig versus Atletico Madrid in the Champions League quarter-final. Of course, we'll bring you analysis at the end of the match and a fans' reaction. It's still Sports Central on